Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So let's keep going.
So hello everybody, let's get started. Our trading. We're already on the broker. All currency pairs with the most optimal volatility have been selected and the payout percentages, of course, high. So all currency pairs, all charts are market with the OTC status. Now we will boost our balance with an amount of $50. So we will open trades 1 minute. So today we have 2 oscillators and 1 trend indicator to analyze. The weighted moving average with a period of 10, MACD with a period 5, 7 and 10, and the ADX oscillator with a period of 15 without plus and minus shifts. So we keep only ADX and we will observe, right, the trend dynamics. Here we have full control of the charts. And we can open trades both against the trend and in the direction of the trend. Nice. So as we progress through my trading, you will understand how to work with this strategy correctly. So take notes and let's start. Let's get started. I don't see any reason to stop, to waste our time. Let's open. First trade immediately opens for long in the direction of the trend, guys. So let's identify the working area and note our first signal, the upcoming crossover of the moving averages, average on the MACD oscillator. We've previously seen good volumes on its histogram. Furthermore, on the ADX we see moderate trend dynamics below the value of 22. We also observe the upward trend dynamics here with the moving average crossing from below to above, from bottom to top. So therefore we open the trade for long in this case. So when you see this picture, you can comfortably open a trade for an increase along the trend. So let's watch. We have 5 seconds left, and I guess we will be in the profits, but it's jumping. And yes, we catch it, we got it. Now first position is on profit. This is traditional tradition. We are okay. So let's continue. Let's continue. Small consolidation area began to form, but in general the trade was closed correctly and in profit. So let's find more precise signal and select the next currency pair. Let me find, for example, right here we will open a short position in the direction of the trend again. We have a good entry point here. We'll look at the ADX and understand that there is a moderate trend dynamics below a value of 22 after retracement. Now there is a good crossover of our moving average from top to bottom, and also the MACD moving average is crossing from top to bottom. So that's why in this case the trade we open a short position. So we have around 25 seconds left. Let's watch the results again. 20 seconds, we're close to that. Okie dokie, guys. And 10 seconds. No way, I can't believe it. Of course I can, because I opened this position. And nice, we catch it. Another position is in profit. It was open in line with the trend, just like the previous one, and it was closed in profit. So let's move on, selecting the next currency pair and opening the next trade. Right, more positions, we need more positions. So let's open the trade for an increase here. Once again, in the direction of the trend, we identify the working area. So as you can see, the ADX indicates moderate trend dynamics, and the crossover of the moving average here confirms the signal to open the trade for an increase. We also see forthcoming crossover of the oscillator right here. So we opened the long position. All indicators suggest that this is the better choice. They're just screaming like open along, open along, open along, or it's just the voices in my head. Okay, kidding. And 5 seconds, and I guess we're in a profit. Nice. I love it. We open in line with the trend, closing in profit. So going forward, I'd like to show the same working principle to convince that the strategy does indeed work and to clearly demonstrate how to apply it. So let's select the next currency pair, guys. Let's select it. Here we will open another trade for an increase, for a long. We have a small retracement coming, and it seems we have a good entry point here. We open in line with the trend, so let's identify the working the ADX, the average trend direction, and we notice the upward trend dynamics, the crossover of the moving average from below to above, so just opening a trade for an increase. So the upcoming crossover of the MACD moving averages from bottom to top is another signal to open the trade for a long. So everything points to open the trade this way. Okay. So let's wait for the trade's results. 10 seconds left. And another position is in profit. Nice strategy. I love it. Pretty easy. You don't need to think twice about the position. So the first trade, I believe, was open in line with the trend again, and it also closed in profit. So let's try and find a trade for a short and start analyzing it by selecting the next currency pair, right? Hell yeah. So right here, I can't see anything. Okay. Can see some. For example, right here, long position again. I believe there should be a small retracement as we had a slight touch of our moving average. We orient ourselves using the ADX, right? Our main indicator indicates the trend directive. So a strong retracement earlier, the formation of the local maximum, then the price started to drop. Here we see a good entry point for opening trade for decrease. So additionally, we see descending volumes on the MACD histogram, and there was a crossover of the moving averages earlier. So let's observe the trade's result. The trade will close in profit in the next 15 minutes. So let's wait for it. Nothing too complicated, pretty easy. You can see by yourself, take notes, try it on, guys. You must know how to work with this and earn a profit. So if you will learn it, you will be in profits too. Let's change the amount for 650 to open 2 positions. So because of the dynamic, we opened against the trend, but in that situation we must watch the ADX, no matter is it upward or downward dynamics. So let's continue, right? We don't want to stop. Don't stop me now. Okay. And yeah, okay, here we will open two short positions. We have had a crossovers, and overall we had a good retracement before that. From the ADX dynamics, we see that their average trend value should theoretically prevail and show a downward trend on this chart. We had a very strong retracement, the formation of the local maximum, and then the price dynamics moved downward. Here it crossed the moving average. Additionally, we saw a retracement, and therefore this price retracement seems to be a good entry point for opening trades for a short. We also see descending volumes on MACD histogram and had crossovers previously. So let's observe the result. Let's watch how it goes. Two, one, in profit, nice. Two positions are in profit, my young Padawan. Okay, let's open two positions for 1,000 each one, and we'll likely summarize the results of our trading today. So let's see what dynamics have in store for us. Let's continue and choose the next currency pair for it. Okie, let's open two short positions against the trend. We add technical analysis to our trade a bit. A price retracement should occur here. Let's identify the working space. The formation of new global price maximum is happening here. Then the price retracement is taking place, and we can see good values on the MACD histogram. Therefore, we'll expect downward movement in our case. So let's watch the results. So based on the MACD dynamics, it's not easy to predict the reversal, but because the dynamics show a smooth correction and steady upward trend, it's possible to open the trade against the price retracement. So let's see the result. Let's wait for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With a profit, nice. Okay, pretty easy. Bit of technical analysis, and for now, I want to open last final trades totaling $4,000. Okay, dollars, and I will finalize my trading today. So I will be satisfied with the results. So let's proceed and select the next currency pair, right? Okie dokie. We gotta sneeze. Oh, damn. Okay, right here, I don't see any reason to open. Like here too. Here. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Our final 4 long positions, guys, is good entry point after the price retracement, and we have a support area working for us. In this case, we see an upward trend dynamic. We open at the right time, just like right time, and we have a crossover of our moving average, and then we see the crossover over our MACD lines. Let's observe the result of the remaining trades. We have just over 20 seconds, like 20 seconds now. 19, 18, 17, 16. I can do this all day long. So let's just wait. 10 seconds. Come on. Oh, I'm sorry. And bam, bam. Nice, guys. 4 positions in a profit, and we have a $7,978. Let's fix this and move to the withdrawal, right? Choose the wallet, 7,900. That's gonna be fine. And the code. Great. So our operation is proceed. So that's why today's trading has been quite interesting. And then towards the end, so we were even able to open a few trades against the trend, so which made me happy, of course. So, but in general, that's the result. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions. All links below the video in the subscriptions. So, see you soon. Have a nice market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments. I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.